There really is no excuse for poor project management these days. Complex projects, yes. Things will go wrong when you're managing projects because projects are about managing change, but poor project management, lack of visibility, lack of collaboration should be a thing of the past. My name is Rich Coles from Prodactive. I have run projects across large organisations around the world for many years, and I use the platform which is Smartsheet, which is absolutely fantastic for managing projects and collaboration. So I'm going to show you a way that we help our clients with a maturity assessment so they can look at how they can improve their project delivery and where they should focus the efforts. When you change your project delivery, it's about people, process, and technology. And yes, I now work with technology, but that's because I'm taking my many years of experience working with people, working with process, and then finding the right technology to bring this together with a fantastic team to help bring you the best tools to help you manage your projects better at your organization so you can focus on delivering fantastic outcomes for your clients, delivering the project results without getting lost in the process. So let's have a look. So here's our NPD accelerator in Smartsheet, and it's just an example of what something could look like in terms of your project management, where you've got various views of what is going on for your projects. So let's go across. I have got a maturity questionnaire that we will run with organizations, which you can fill out online, and it's got a series of questions. So when you fill this out as an organization, you will get a report. This is all done by filling out the simple questionnaire. And as you fill out, there'll be automated answers that come through, giving you a sense of what they are. And then as people provide their answers, and you can have as many people who complete this for your organization as possible. And I often say, the more people, the better, because it's getting the engagement from the teams as they go in. You can see what the various views are from people across the board, and they can also provide their specific commentary. And then you can see the views from the various stakeholders across the board. So I can go and quickly look and see what was the average view, and then specific people. So Rich Coles, what were my views relative to the average? So this is the output, which is automatically created from the questionnaire. And just to give you a sense of what the questionnaire looks like, so this is what it would be, in that as you fill out the questions as we go down, and you can fill out the answers, which are ranged from absolutely not to not really to so-so, pretty much, or totally. And depending on what you choose, then these numbers will go together and fill out the answers down below. So if you can see, then it's automatically populating with some answers based on the thinking of how are you scoring in relative terms from a score of 1 to 5 for your governance, demand management, project controls, project delivery, resource management, change management, continuous improvement, and technology. So to see the output, we will produce this in a simple report. This is automatically produced from Smartsheet, and we can help you set it up in your organization. And given our expertise in project management, we'll also look at those results and actually give you our human interaction based on many years' experience, assessment of what this is saying, not just the computer says answer. So we can do this for you as well. And here's an example of the questionnaire that you might get. These are the questions which are set up. The questions can be modified, but again, using our many years of experience, these are questions that work and count for an organization. So you can download this, so you can have a play, check out, decide what your answers are going to be before you go and fill out the form online. So here's the form that you fill out, very easy, and it takes however long it takes someone to assess those questions, 10 minutes, let's just say, and the output, fantastic. You're going to get this view and you can understand how are you scoring, and then you can choose where to go first. What's the most important thing for your organization? Is it a lack of rigor in your resource management? Is it that you don't have an effective demand management process? Or is it just overall you're lacking from change management or governance and stage gate process? With Smartsheet, we can help you with solutions that provide you that visibility from the start of your project, from the decision, do we not start a project, from the assessment in terms of prioritization from a governance point of view, and then as it goes into your portfolio, tracking it through and ensuring you've got that visibility as you manage your projects through the pipeline, through to the launch date, and then understanding the visibility of the projects, what's tracking red, yellow, green, and then what's the actual health of those individual projects, and be able to drill down. So if you want to find out more about modern project management and our PPM maturity assessment, please do get in touch. We're on a mission to help transform execution and unlock potential. Focus on what your organization is excellent at, and that's the projects themselves, not being lost in the process and collaboration. Let us have a look and help you get to better modern project management. Thanks for watching. I look forward to hearing from you, and bye for now.